Assalamu alaikum, my name is Kashan Amir, and today I will tell you about the PCB design, which is actually Lab 1, and this circuit is of Lab 2, which has already been covered in our earlier video. So I'll not be telling you about this and how to make it. For that, you'll just refer to that video, which has already been recorded. Now we'll move toward the PCB layout. You can see that all the components here in the list have already been added into our PCB layout. All you need to do is to just simply place it into our square box, and to make a square you can click 2D graphics and make one of yours. Since I have already made, so I'll delete it. So you'll just need to place your components into this square. You can see that there are 7 different connectors which have been used in place of LEDs. Since we could not find the schematic, the PCB preview of LEDs, so we added connectors in place of LEDs, and you can see there are 4 connectors here. 2 are for the push buttons that would basically define different combinations, and 2 are for the battery to attach. You can see that you can see the resistors R1, R2. These were the resistors. All you need to do is to just simply place components onto the PCB in a manageable form, and if you want to add a name, you can see that my name is mirror. Why so? Because when we paste it, it will automatically get its true orientation, and to flip it, if you want to write your name, you'll just need to do it like flipping it and selecting bottom copper from here, and click this text button to add your text. You just simply click OK. Since I forgot to actually select it, so I'll just do it again. You can see that it is flipped. You could delete it, and now we'll move toward 3D visualizer, which is basically a tab. You can see 3 tabs, out of which the 3D visualizer is the last one. If you cannot see this tab, you just click this eye over here, which will basically open that inactive tab. So this tab is for the glimpse of how your circuit would look like on a PCB. This is basically our circuit having different views. You can switch from here, and you can see my name here, which is flipped. So now we'll move toward how to export and put this PCB layout on a circuit, how to make a PDF of your circuit. Simply click output, then export graphics, then export Adobe PDF file. Actually, I forgot to tell you about the routing. Since I've already auto routed it, so I forgot to tell you. You just simply click auto route from here and begin routing. After some time, you can see that there are different paths connected to different components. You can see that there are 2 colors. Bottom copper is blue in color, and the one that is red is top copper. So now we'll move toward the exporting. Simply click output, then export graphics, then export Adobe PDF file. You just uncheck unnecessary things and click OK to generate a PCB layout. You can see you just simply print it on butter paper and add it to ferrous chloride for a time to unreveal the paths for our conduction wires, and simply then drill it and place components, and that's how you do it. And this is how it is. So this was basically it. Thank you.